Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This session is basically for a Java version compatibility error. So sometimes when you run your Spring Boot application, then what will happen, you might get an error called Java version compatibility error. So how we can go ahead and resolve this error? What are the ways through which you can fix that issue? Basically what I'm going to do, I just created a simple application for you people. This is a demo version mismatch, and this is available under the demo module. So this particular application, this is a Spring Boot application, and this Spring Boot application I have taken one simple controller that is known as hello controller. So and the second file you can see, that is the main application file. Spring Boot application will start its journey from this particular file. When you will run this particular application class, demo application class, then the Spring Boot application will start it running, right? So these two files are there, and along with this I have a pom.xml which is having the configuration related with this project. What are the Spring Boot plugins, what are the various Spring Boot plugin, what are the library and dependency we are using for the Spring Boot application. So these all things are available here. Only three files mainly I am keeping in this project. One is for the configuration, that is nothing but it is a pom.xml. Second, I just taken one controller, I created a REST controller. And third is the main demo application.java file, which is the main file from where we are running our Spring Boot application. So this application, when I'm going to run in front of you, you will see that you will get a Java version compatibility error. So we will first take a look what is this error is coming. Let me run this application first in front of you. I will just go on the demo application. So for your just knowledge purpose, I am just telling you, if this application is not configured here, demo application, you just click here. And after clicking, you just click on edit configuration, and after edit configuration, if you will click on plus, you will find run and debug configuration here. Okay, do one thing, let me just remove this in front of you and show you that how we can do that. I just remove this, and in the run and debug configuration, what I will do, I will just click on application, and the name of the application is I can keep, that is demo version. Okay, and here is the JDK, what happened for this demo version. Let me just apply and okay. So run and debug, let me just run this. Okay, so it is for this particular application. You can see here you have to provide your main class. What is the main class for this Spring Boot application? So the main class will be the demo application. So let me just search the demo application. It will come automatically here. Just double click on it, will be selected, and this demo application, once it will be selected, you just click on apply and run, right? I just click on apply and run in front of you. Let us see the simple build output. You can see just before 2 seconds back I just ran this application and I am getting Java error. The description, what it is saying, that release version 21 not supported, right? And module demo SDK 17 is not compatible with source version 21. And what the suggestion it is giving, that upgrade module SDK in project setting to 21 or higher. And here it is giving the link that you can click on this link and it will directly go to the project setting options. So let me first tell you why this error is coming, right? If you will see the pom.xml for this particular application, what is the Java version here? In your application, what you can do, you can just open the pom.xml and search Java version. So what I will do, I will just copy in front of you, Control F and V. So you will find the Java version is specified two places, right? 1 and 2. So here you can see Java version. So once you will find the version of Java, right, in your application, you just check which version it is specifying. That is 21. Now 21 version it is specifying, but actually once you are creating this application, then inside the IntelliJ, what version of Java IntelliJ is using? Project is asking that I am going to run on 21 version of Java. So its requirement is that if you will give me Java version 21, then I will be successfully run your application and I don't have any problem. But if you are giving me some other version in spite of Java 21, then I will face the problem definitely, and that problem is appearing here. So by looking into the description, it is saying one sentence, module demo SDK 17 is not compatible with source version 21. What is module demo? If you will see in the project workspace, and there is a square box demo. So this is the name of the module, right? Demo module. If I will go to the project, you can see here the artifact ID, whatever I am using, and that module is used by IntelliJ, right, for the project setting. Let me just go and upgrade the module SDK and from 17 to 21, because it is reporting 17 is configured but it is looking for 21. I will click on this link. If you don't have this option, let me just tell you, if you are not finding in your error description open project setting, what you can do, you can go here, click on there where you can go just above to the project, click on this 4 line, and after that you will find under after settings project structure, click on project structure. Once you will click on project structure, the project setting options will be open, right? So here you can find the module. What is the module here? Module is demo, and what language level it is using. So let me just change it to 21 first. Change it to 21, check the path, check the dependencies. Still it is using 17 module SDK. So here you can change the SDK. If I will go here, I will just choose 21. So if I will choose 21, I will go again here project module, and under the module I have to choose 21. So the dependencies also you need to check from where it is going to download the dependencies. Either it is using the Java 21, JDK 21 to download the dependencies, or it is using JDK 17. If 17, then it will create the Java version compatibility issue. So first module has been completed. Let us go to the project. So one by one, let me just first go to the project. Okay, module we already completed. In the project, you can just check the SDK option. In the SDK option, you have to just click the drop down and just select Corridor 21. If Corridor 21, Amazon Corridor 21 is not available, you can do one thing. You can just click on download JDK. The IntelliJ will give the options to download the JDK from which vendor you want it. I just wanted the Amazon Corridor. So like this you have to select and provide the specific version that you wanted to download. I already downloaded 21, similar like this. So I will choose 21 here, and the language level will be SDK default. Module we already worked on, and we have just verified source, path and dependencies. Everything is fine. Library, nothing to do that. Facets, nothing to do that. Artifact, nothing to do that. SDK we have to just make it should be Corridor 21, and that's it. After this we will click on apply and OK. Once we will click on apply and OK, what we have to do, we have to come here and we just clean, compile and install. So let me run the Maven build. Once the build will be successful without any issue. Okay, now the build is successful in front of you. Now the build is successful, and after that what we can do, we have to just go on the demo application. Either directly from here I can run the application, or we can right click here and run demo application.main. So I already did the edit configuration. I will run from here. Let me see the error is again appearing or not, and application is successfully starting on it. Now your Spring Boot application is starting, and you can see here it is directly telling that it started demo application in this many seconds, and the Tomcat is started on port number 8080. So once the Spring Boot application will successfully start, at that after will deploy the application into the Tomcat container. So it will start the Tomcat along with the application start, and it will deploy the application inside the container. So this is happening. There is no any issue for the Java version compatibility. So this is the way that you can fix the Java version compatibility issue, friends. So if this video is helpful for you, you can go ahead and like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for your time, and thanks a lot.